Hey guys. Hey, I just want to let you know that I'm replacing this carburetor. This carburetor is a 1404 electric choke, but the choke's not hooked up. If you notice closely, no choke's hooked up. Never was, never really had a problem with it so far with the choke wise. You know, a little stumble in the first few seconds you got it. I've been having some stumble with this thing. I can't seem to get it cleaned out very good, so it could just be the carburetor issue. So what I did, I picked up today on wonderful Craigslist this 1405, which is higher CFMs, rated by Edelbrock. Essentially it's the same carburetor, just probably bigger jets and that kind of crap. But so instead of me jacking with the other one, I picked this thing up. If you notice, prior owner basically made it a no choke carburetor. Took off the choke, flap, bracket, and rod to make it essentially a no choke carburetor. But he did give me the top of another one, old junk one he had sitting in the corner. So I have some parts I could probably use if I change my mind and actually put a choke on there. But I haven't had a choke. I'm not going to worry about it. All I know is I'm just done jacking with that other carburetor. And I think this motor would be much happier having a little bit more CFM in there. Try to move this, get this motor to breathe better. Anyways, this carburetor, brand new. He said he had 10 minutes on the car. He said it didn't run right. He was trying to run a 600 CFM carburetor on like a 400, like a 454 or 460 or something like that. And it's just definitely not going to be working right. So, anyways, I'll post some clips after I get this thing on there. Hopefully it works right. Hopefully I don't have to jack with any more carburetors when I'm done, except for a little bit of heating up. First starts, should be a bolt-on, a little bit of adjustments, and I'll be done. I think it'll make this car run a lot better. And more importantly, I got it for a smoking price for a brand new carburetor. Like, nobody would believe what I paid for this carburetor. So, anyways, later guys. I'll let you know.